Hello, how are you?
Hey, don't touch me, bitch!
Emerald Splash!
Bro, I'm really about to geek.
Nice!
Real nigga hours. Real nigga hours.
Guess who's back? Back again.半径 20m エメラルドスプラッシュを間抜けな知るがいい。ザ・ワールドの真の能力はまさに世界を支配する能力だということを出してみろディオ。スタンドザ・ワールド。無駄無駄無駄無駄無駄無駄無駄無駄無駄無駄無駄無駄。そして時は動き出す。
Bro,
Emerald Splash. I just want to do my Emerald Splash.
it's not on Steam, is it?
No. I'm pretty sure I sent you a link a while back, but...
Yeah, I don't remember.
This game is literally just spamming.
Seven Deadly Sins
Oh,
is just about an Indian family.
No one can just deflect. 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 No one can just deflect the Emerald Splash. No one can just deflect the Emerald Splash.
I'm not loading.
Like, you know how in...
Go crazy! Ah! Go stupid! Ah!
If you
Oh,
hit me
maybe I should-
while I've got the book, it's meant to, like, teleport behind you.
Are you playing the dude that turns people into paper?
No. I'm playing Dio.
Oh. What does the book do?
Boy! Oh wait, that's right. I got Emerald Splash.
No!
Yellow tape around his body.
This isn't good.
Hold up.
やったぞ。発動したぞ。
Whoa, that's pretty
so
gory,
gory.
bro.
Who was that?
I just started dropping blood, bro.